If you're a junior dev who's looking for maybe a unique way to get some experience as if you're part of a real development team working on a real development project, then you've come to the right place. Hey, Junior Devs, Dev Mentor Dave here, helping you bridge the gap from learning to code to launching a successful career. And here this week, Saturday, March 16th, 2024, we're going to start doing that in a way that's a little bit different than you've probably ever seen anybody else do. This Saturday, March 16th at 10 a.m., we're going to launch the Dev Mentor Dave Community Programming Project live stream. That's a really long term. Need to come up with a better term for that. But basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to start a live stream every Saturday for the most part, and we're going to go through what it's like to actually work on a real project. We're going to give you the opportunity to participate in that project and in that process so that you don't just have this nebulous idea of somebody telling you what it's like. You'll get to experience what it's like actually being a part of the team. Now, why in the world are we doing this? Well, as I've talked to a lot of junior developers, I've seen that there's just a lot of negativity out there right now, especially because junior developers are having a hard time getting jobs in this current marketplace. And so because they're not getting jobs, they're not getting that real world experience of working on a real project, working with a real dev team, seeing what it's like to actually interact with other devs, to have other people look at their code and evaluate their code and give feedback and things like that in a real world experience type of environment. Now, you can spend a lot of time developing and working on tutorials and doing a lot of code, but that's not really the same thing as building a real project with real demands and real requirements and somebody who's really pushing you to actually get it done. So that's the goal for this live stream. Every Saturday, we're going to meet. We're going to pretend like it's a real dev team. I'm going to give assignments. You're going to turn those assignments in the forms of tickets and code completed. And we're going to actually do code reviews on the website. I'm going to give feedback on the live stream. So you'll be able to see what that looks like to actually interact around a real project, around code, and all the different things that we have to think through and talk through when it comes to developing a real project with other people, not just by yourself. Now, there are multiple ways you can get involved. You can just come to the live stream and watch the live stream and listen to the things that we talk about and learn passively, or maybe just watch it later if you're not able to make it at 10 a.m. on Saturday morning. Or you can follow along with us and just try to build the project on your own, but kind of keep in touch with what's going on and make changes as you see we interact with other people's code. Or if you really want to get the most out of it, you can be a part of the team, actually put real code into the real GitHub project and potentially have your code reviewed and get some real feedback from me and potentially others as we go through this journey building this new product. So what is it that we're going to build? Well, it's a little bit of a secret. If you look at some of the old live streams that we've done, you might have an idea of what we're going to be building, but I'm going to wait to answer that until this Saturday at 10 a.m. Central United States time. So join me live. We'll discuss the whole project. We'll discuss what the next steps are, how you can get involved, and all the details this Saturday, March 16th at 10 a.m. US Central Time. Join me and I'll see you there.